Welcome to our Dash Cam Showdown. Today, we're putting the ROVE R2-4K and the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo head-to-head. Both of these dash cams offer impressive features, but which one is the best for your needs? Let's dive into the details and find out. The ROVE R2-4K boasts an impressive 4K UHD video resolution, providing crystal-clear footage that captures every detail. In contrast, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo records in 2K at 60 FPS for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, offering solid quality but not quite matching the ROVE's high definition. If video quality is your top priority, the ROVE R2-4K takes the lead here. When it comes to features, the ROVE R2-4K offers a range of functionalities including built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and advanced night vision. However, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo shines with its dual-channel recording capability, allowing you to capture both front and rear views simultaneously. This makes it a more versatile option for those who want comprehensive coverage of their surroundings. User reviews highlight the ROVE R2-4K for its excellent customer support and reliability, making it a favorite among users. On the other hand, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is praised for its value for money, especially considering its dual-channel recording. Both products have their strengths, but your choice may depend on whether you value support or features more. In conclusion, both the ROVE R2-4K and VIOFO A129 Plus Duo offer unique advantages. If you prioritize high-resolution video and customer support, the ROVE is your best bet. However, if you need dual-channel recording and great value, the VIOFO is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.